So this one's pretty straightforward. It's just rice. But I found this at the store a while ago. It's broccoli cheddar rice. It sounded pretty good, so I thought I'd make that. Let's see, the instructions on this one is medium saucepan, water, milk, and some olive oil. So let's find what we have in here. I'm using pot just because it's easier. So let's see. Oh, I can reuse this one. So 1.5 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Let's go ahead and get the water. Let's see if that's enough. Yeah. We'll get our milk out. This is how you make fat-free milk if you're poor. I can even pour it like this. A little more. There. So there's our cooking mix. And I don't think I have olive oil, but I'll just substitute some butter, which will make it taste better anyway. I'll just need to figure out how to get it out here. But I will go ahead and get this started. Now, how do I open this? Oh. So then we'll get our 2 tablespoons of butter. Paula Deen would be proud. If I can figure out how to get 2 tablespoons out of this. This is sort of working. I think that's 1. Okay, 1 more. And there's 2. So now comes the easy part. Which is just making sure we mix everything together correctly and try not to burn down the house. Let's go ahead and get out a mixing spoon. Ugh. Now let me see, I'm sure you can actually see. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. There. Well, I'll kind of stir everything together so that it stays mixed, I guess. Sort of. So the instructions say to bring it to a boil and then turn it down to medium, so we'll just wait around for that. So, looks like we now got it up to boiling finally. So, we now just put it down to medium, let it cool off for a bit, and then we just keep cooking it until it's done. That's about it. Make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Cook uncovered for 10 minutes. Okay, so I should put the timer on. There we go. Now we're done. Give this a little better angle. There. So now I'll just hang out here for a bit. Yeah, so one of the things to remember is to just keep stirring frequently so it doesn't burn to the bottom. So that's kind of a general rule for most things you're trying to cook in a pan at high temperatures. I'll let this finish and then we'll go ahead and continue from there. All right, so now that our 10 minutes are done, we just shut off the heat and let it kind of cool off to finish cooking. And then the rice will absorb the rest of the sauce in there. You can see it's thickened up quite a lot since we first started. But that's pretty much it. So, enjoy your rice. I know I will.